Number 226. The total price of a filing cabinet and a table is 13,100 pesos. If the price of filing cabinet is 2,500 more than that of the table, how much is the table? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 6,300, 5,300, 7,800, 10,600, and 5,800 pesos. Okay, so let us make an equation for this. So the unknown is how much is the table. So how much is the table? So how much is the table? So let x be the cost of table. Okay, so let x be the cost of the table. Okay, and then we have another given here. The price of filing cabinet is 2,500. 2,500 more than. Okay? So, price of filing cabinet is 2,500 more than. So, more than that means plus. Okay? So, therefore, the expression for the filing cabinet is X plus 2,500. So, that is the cost of cabinet. Okay? So, cost of the cabinet. Okay? Filing cabinet. And then we have the total price. The total price of a filing cabinet and a table is 13,100. So therefore, the equation will be just add this x and x plus 2,500, and that is equal to 13,100. So that will be our working equation. So we have x plus 2,500 is equal to 13,100. Okay? And then we just need to solve for x. The x is the cost of the table, which we want to know. So how much is the table? Okay, so just solve for x, add this x plus x, that is equal to 2x plus 2,500 equals 13,100. Then put 2,500 to the other side by subtracting 2,500 to both sides. Okay, so this will cancel out. So we have 2x is equal to, so just subtract this, 0, just copy this, 0 minus 0, we have 0. So this will be 11, and then this will become 2, okay? 11 minus 5, so we have 6, and then 2 minus 2 is 0, and then just bring down 1. So therefore, we have 2x is equal to 10,600. Last step, divide both sides by 2. Okay? So divide both sides by 2. So 10 divided by 2, that is 5. And then 600 divided by 2, that is 300. So therefore, the correct answer is letter B, 5,300. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, math and logic lang, but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items 'yon, yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking Messenger, RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.